Today, we are going to show you how to use Inkwise to quickly put together a technical financial review investor report for any company within minutes. For this demo, we are going to write an investor report based on NVIDIA's Q1 quarterly financials. The first thing we need to do is get AI ready by ingesting NVIDIA's Q1 financials. I have downloaded NVIDIA's Q1 financials in both Excel and PDF formats locally. Let's take a look. To ingest the documents for AI to help us write this research report, we simply need to click the Add Files button under References and then upload both documents. Let's patiently wait for the document upload process to finish. Note that once the documents are uploaded, they are automatically converted to a vector database that AI can understand. With both documents added as our references, we can initiate an inline writer prompt window within Inkwise. Let's first ask AI to help us write some financial highlights based on NVIDIA's Q1 financials. Let's click a citation bubble to open the evidence inspector. What makes Inkwise AI superior for professional writing is that citations point to exact, relevant snippets from your reference documents. Think of it like ChatGPT or Claude, but grounded in specific pieces of evidence you can fact-check yourself. Next, we are going to ask AI to research some in-depth and technical topics based on our reference documents and write those sections for us. For our demo, let's ask AI to research and write about the net income per share on a diluted basis and how much cash dividends were paid to investors in Q1. We can always go deeper and more technical. Let's ask AI to perform a sector revenue analysis for us. Even better, let's ask AI to create a table for us to show the most important data center revenue performance. Let's see what Inkwise AI can do. Besides numbers, we can always use Gen AI's logical reasoning capabilities to conduct analyses such as SWOT. Let's do one SWOT analysis each for the data center sector and the gaming sector based on NVIDIA's Q1 financial disclosures. So far, we have done many things. As the last step, let's evaluate NVIDIA's overall financial health based on the referenced Q1 financial disclosures and ask AI to create a key performance indicator table for us. One of the patented features of Inkwise is predictive writing. What does it do? Let me show you. I hope you can feel the power of the fact that AI is able to automatically write the conclusion for us based on the entire research so far. Now we have finished writing the investor report, and we can export it. We wrote 6 pages of the investor report based on the actual financial statements within minutes. You can do this too. Sign up with CPAAutomation.ai now and quickly leverage Inkwise to help you with professional writing.